In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post. So before you publish or update your Instagram stories or reels or your Instagram short videos, you can easily add music to the post before it is updated. So in this video, you learn how you can easily add your choice of music to your stories on Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram application on your device. Then once you open the Instagram application, this could be Android or iPhone. Click on this plus icon. Now choose whether you want to post reels, stories, or go live. So in this case, let's say I want to post this particular update on Instagram. Select it and click on the next button at top right. Click on this music icon here. Then you should see for you music to add it or browse your choice of music. Alternatively, you can click on this next button here and then scroll down and select add music. Here you also have access to for you and then browse. Now select the music you want to add to your Instagram post. So let's say I want to add Amapiano. Select this. Then you can say this music is going to be added to your Instagram post for 30 seconds. Use this slider to adjust the music just like this, wherever you want to show or wherever you want to play on the post like this, or adjust it again. So once you're satisfied with this adjustment, you can just play to listen to it. And once you are satisfied with that, go ahead and click on this check button. Then you see this post just like this. Then go ahead and click on share. Once you tap the share button, then the post will be shared or published on your Instagram page. Now finishing up, once this post is published on my Instagram page, this is what you're going to see. Then you can see the music added to this post on Instagram is Subi Beats. Then if you go ahead now to this, you see that? So this is how you can easily add music to Instagram posts. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.